Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the unveil application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Another thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, it's recommended for your battery level on your watch to be at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So once your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the unveil application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Once you open the app, you can tap on the device icon, and here you should see your SW022 on the device page, and it should say connected. Once it's done syncing, you can scroll down and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap on Confirm. Okay, and after a couple of seconds the watch will finish resetting. You will see the home screen again, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.